Welcome to the BFS Master Data Management Customer Registration Demo. This process is designed to automate and streamline customer onboarding. Through system-driven workflows, automated validations, and centralized data management, the process reduces manual effort, improves data accuracy, and ensures regulatory compliance. Under the Master Data Management module, you can see the option Customer Registration Form. To create a new customer, click on New. Now, the customer registration form opens. As you can see on the screen, there are few mandatory fields. First, we select the type, where we choose whether the customer is a person or an organization. Then, name of the customer, and registration type, company-assisted or customer-initiated registration. Now, fill the customer contact information. This is a mandatory field, as the registration link will be sent to this email ID, and now click on Initiate Customer Onboarding. Once the onboarding is initiated, the customer receives an email notification with a link to access the portal and complete the registration. Now, when the customer opens the link, they are first required to enter the credentials shared over email and then enter the same email ID they shared earlier with the company user while initiating the customer registration process. And click OK to proceed. The customer is required to fill all mandatory details and upload the necessary documents like PAN and GST. Documents can be attached by clicking on Attachments, click on New, select the document type to be attached, then browse and select the particular document. After completing the mandatory fields, click on Send for review for further processing. At this stage, an email notification is sent to the company user confirming that the customer has submitted the details. The company user opens the link to review the information. If any details are missing or incorrect, user can click Request Change before submitting, which triggers an email to the customer to update the information. Once the details are verified, click on Check Tax Compliance to validate the PAN and GST numbers. Valid details are highlighted in green, and invalid details appear in red. After confirming the correct details, click on Submit for approval. The approver immediately receives an email notification. Once the approval is completed, the Create Customer button becomes active. Here, we will select the required customer group and a company or legal entity in which the customer needs to be created, and then click on Create Customer. Finally, the customer is successfully created, and the Dynamics ID is generated on the screen. Thank you.